my kayak alone. I'm going to pepper spray you in the face. That's what I'm going to do to you.